So let's please welcome Jono Podmore and Johny Brown. Thank you, and our dancers.
Everyone comfortable?
Here in the dark, no light to be found. Unanswerably enervating. Exasperating and evaporating. Away inexorably. Gelatinous with fatigue. Tiredness feels like a disease. I am stuck. I am locked. I can't breathe. balance. I can barely move. I want to flow. I want to breathe. I want to dance. I want to stretch. I want to live. I want to live. I want to live. Everything is bleak. Everything is brutal. Everything is static. Everything is static. Everything is brutal. Everything is bleak. I want to live. I want to stretch. I want to dance. I want to flow. I can barely move. I balance. I can't breathe. Blocked. Stuck. Tiredness feels like a disease. Gelatinous with fatigue. Exasperated and evaporating. Unanswerably enervating. Life ebbs away inexorably. No light to be found here in the dark. I step out of my house for the first time in days. Even out of doors, there's a sense of confinement. Even out here, I'm hemmed in by the concrete, breathing its fumes, choking on the toxins, being watched from glass doorways by stressed office workers. Grey shiny suits, chain smoking, hyper stressed, Some things progress can't kill. No artificial intelligence here. Just a feral state camouflaged by a straight-mannered sheen. Stress certified and raised to a high art. Weird undercurrent of dark psychology. A stall. A stutter. A stumble. A shamble. A shamble, a stumble, a stutter, a stall. Move on. I drag my bones into an empty shopping mall. A shell of a cathedral long abandoned. No darkness here, but no light either. Just a never-ending plastic grey. There's only ever been one God. But the religion of consumerism has long fled this place. I'm watched by the old sales deals. They're plastered to the glass storefronts. Fabulous bargains. Fantastic offer. Far-fetched opportunity. More than 50% reduction. Closing down sale. Cherish your loved ones. Make the time. You don't know how long a life we've got left on this earth. Everything must go. A stall. A stutter. A shamble. A stumble. A stumble. Shamble. Stutter. I stall. I stall. I stutter. I shamble. I stutter. I shamble. I fall. I stutter. I shamble. I stall. I fall. I get up. I stumble. I stumble. I stumble. I stumble. I shamble. I stutter, I shamble, I stutter, I shamble, I stutter, I shamble, I stutter, I shamble, I dredge my pain out of the mouth. The sky above a bit more distant. The warehouses a bit grimier. The roads a bit more scarred and neglected. Rusting poles where light bulbs flicker sometimes on and sometimes off. Pylons begin to stretch out and communication masts are prevalent. Frantic barking dogs will leap up the wire fence and snarl as I walk by. I walk by. Trespass is the only way. The past is somewhere I can't stay. Trespass is the only way. The past is somewhere I can't stay. The voices of self-doubt creeping in now. You will never dance. You will never ever dance. I move still, I move forward. I inch forward, I crawl. I limp, I fall, I hurt. Trespass is the only way. The past is somewhere I can't stay. Trespass is the only way. Stepping into a brand new day. I reach a wall. There's a sign saying, no trespassing. Another sign says, access required. A queer notion indeed. In a land that should be free, the wall is high and foreboding, topped with broken glass and barbed wire. Who knows what is on the other side? Trespass is the only way. Trespass is the only way. Trespass. It's just a nightmare. Why did I leave the house? All I wanted to do was to dance. About to scream. A bad spirit possessed me and set out from home. Let me go. Need to return. Need to return. Need to return. Need to return. There's something new that's picked me up. And somehow I'm thrown into the air. And I go flying over the wall and crash through green foliage. As many branches thankfully break my fall. Access has been cleared. Trespass is the only way. The past is somewhere I can't stay. Trespass is the only way. Stepping into a brand new day. I emerge into the forest. The surroundings hit me with a blinding flash. The sound of birds ringing hard in my ear. Here amidst the ferns, here amongst the trees, I find a clearing by the stream. I find myself at long last, breathing perfectly in time with the forest. I breathe for an hour, and after an hour, when the breathing is complete, my body seems engaged, enlivened, energized. The spirit feels raised to a fine vibration. Mind now empty of city clutter, I begin to dance. My balance is still pretty bad. I fall, I get up, I fall, I get up, slowly, painfully, enduringly, I find myself breathe by dance, breathe, balance, move, dance, breathe, balance, move, dance, breathe, balance, move, dance. And as I dance, I delight in these beautiful sights. All the natural life around me is seemingly haphazard as me. A hare seems to be constantly by my side. White pelt outlined in black charcoal. 4 crosses radiate on the sleek belly. A crescent moon waxing between alert ears and somewhere through the trees. The constant percussive beat of a woodpecker drills a beat for me to make my moves. I follow its rhythm. I have found the balance that has always eluded me, the speed that I have always lacked, the grace I could only dream of. All flight is mine as I whirl like a dervish and push myself off into space. Breathe, balance, move, dance, breathe, balance. Pausing to breathe a moment, I watch and wonder as a green parakeet traverses the early evening sky, and in doing so crosses both the sun and the moon. It is a rare sight to see both planets in the sky at the same time. The parakeet looks so fresh, so powerful, so free. I feel that wistful, mysterious thing inside. And I breathe, I balance, I dance, I move, I breathe, balance, I dance, I move, I dance back off into space, dive into it, shifting up the gear on my rhythm, heart beating faster, feet stomping harder, mind starting to fire with visions now of better worlds and other places. I dig deep inside to where I store the jewels, the soul of the dancer. The sun crosses the moon. One descends, the other rises. Darkness fills the night again. There is light everywhere.
Johnny.
Guys, I must apologise. My part dancing has been hospital all day. These two are brilliant.